supposed to go across there like that, but they posted when they do it.
Nearly there.
Almost.
And then that was pretty much free.
Jim's taking that out because he's going back tomorrow, but he's doing that.
Jim, I thought his name was Pat.
Yeah, the steel ring fits in that.
Yeah. Did you get the steel ring out in the end?
Yeah, it's over there. But that's going to be changed.
Yeah. And this is the other part of the circle.
Yeah, that goes on here. Yeah, it goes here.
And not a lot of rust, is there?
Steel was.
Yeah.
It's mainly the steel that's corroded, a bit of oxidisation.
Yeah.
It polishes up all right. There's no pits or anything there.
Oh. Is it?
Below that, what he's got a hand on,
Yeah.
is a separate part of the piece around the top.
Oh, I see.
At the moment, we're just taking the bottom off
Yeah.
and see what we've got.
Will you take the top off for later or not?
I don't know, it's up to Bob. We want to
It doesn't look, sorry,
doesn't look bad, does it?
doesn't
No.
look rusty. That part is just taken off, does it?
We'll photograph it and catalogue it and then put it back together and fit it. And then later on, if the CAA say, well, what's underneath that plate? You get, there it comes, there's the photographs of it.
Yeah.
There's the paperwork.
Yeah.
All we had to change was the paint and the rivets.
Yeah.
To check the corrosion between them.
That's all. It's only just
that's
purely
all
a
it is.
check.
We're going to clean it up, respray them, put modern yak shit in there and bolt it back together.
Yeah.
And then we know that
Section's done, yeah. And that's a bit like those two plates is taken off. Are they just stiffeners or what?
well, I think the plates are, but attached to them is big castings. And we
I see those, yeah.
we believe they was for line towing. Because when
were they?
Yeah, when the aircraft was made, they did that in case it was needed, but Lancaster's was what we used.
Oh.
But something slotted into there, and then they had the cable on.
Fun?
Oh, that's the right way one.
Oh. Is the long shank so you can guide it with your hand?
What, this?
Yes.
No, so I could get in close to the pins. So
Oh,
we've got a shorter drill. The drill hits the...
I'm with you now, yeah.
Yeah. Just makes life. This is a modded panel.
Yeah.
And there is no drawings for it. So the drawings that they've got says it's one thickness, but because it's been modded, they've increased the thickness of the panels, so I've got to make it again. Luckily I didn't make both of them, I only made one side.
Oh, that would have been.
Yeah.
This is the old one, is it?
Yeah, that's the modded one, yeah. But you can see where over the years where it's been, and the holes are just massive.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah.
And was that just a stiffener on there, or was that...
This is where it attaches to the wingtip.
Yeah.
Through there, and they're going to make it so it's I think it's going to be a screw on screw off panel.
Yeah.
Where originally it was riveted on.
Yeah.
And every time you wanted to take the wingtip off, you had to de-rivet it.
Yeah. So
that's why the holes have got bigger.
Yeah.
So I think they're going to put anchor nuts on it.
Yeah.
So you can take the panel off.
Yeah.
But that's what these holes are for, so you can get to the bolts.
Yeah.
Without having to take this panel off.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether they're going to rivet the panel on and just use that or not my decision.
Yeah. Good. The straps put back in place for the petrol tank.
Well, look at the state of that.
Take it right off.
There we go. Good job, look at the state of that.
Was there much corrosion in it?
Should have a look.
And this is steel, isn't it?
This is the steel, yeah. You can see what it's done to the alley.
Oh, it's eaten it away, has it?
Yeah, it's certainly gone, the alley.
This similar,
Barrage balloons?
that's right, yeah, for the cables.
Yeah.
Just turned to powder and disappeared.
Yeah.
What we're drilling out there, Jack?
A bolt that's all rusty. It had like a leather skirt on the inside. I'm not sure what it's all about. I don't really know, but there's only pieces of it left, so we're just drilling out the bolts. So yeah.
Right, thank you. Is that part of the leather you were saying?
Yeah, that's right, part of it. Yeah, see. I think it was like a skirt inside. We don't know why. It may have been some kind of preventative for the radar when it was fitted, to stop things going down there, you know.
Yeah. And this will be all replaced next year, will it? All the skins?
No, these skins are fine.
Oh, these skins, yeah.
By taking all the frames off, we can see if there's, one of them's got damage, but we can see if there's any corrosion inside here, and clean them off properly, because all this is 70-year-old preservatives and hydraulic fluid. And these are not used on this, so that's coming off. That had a light underneath.
Yeah.
But we didn't have that on this. And they're all being cleaned up and put back on.
Oh, it's good then, isn't it?
With fresh paint and new rivets.